Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps of setting up the new GCPapercut, which is the software that we will use moving forward in 2021 to print here in the building. So you might be asking, why do I have to uninstall the old Papercut and install the new? Well, it's because as things update, we also need to update our software, and the old way of using Papercut just really isn't going to work well or work at all. So we need to move forward with this new version. So hopefully if you're at this screen or on this video, you've already uninstalled PC Client from your laptop. And then let's go ahead and get started with installing the new. So there's only a couple of steps here. It's pretty simple. The first thing we'll do is hit the download button. And if you're using Chrome like I am, you'll notice that the file will drop down here in the lower left corner. If you're using Safari, the file will drop up in the right-hand corner. But since I'm in Chrome, I can find it down here on the left. I'm going to double-click that file, and then it's just going to open up to the Mobility Print client. I'm just going to double-click on the box icon, and then I'm going to hit Continue and Agree and a few other things until everything is ready to go. And I'll just keep hitting Continue, Install, and then I'm going to get to this login screen. Now this login screen is for I need to put in my password for the laptop. So this is not your Papercut login. This is the login you use for your laptop, which is just giving it permission to install the software. And then I'm going to hit close. It tells me that installation was successful. That's fabulous. And I can delete the file, the installer file, if I want. I'm just going to keep it on my laptop for now. And then I can go ahead and close out these windows. And then when I go to print something, I'm going to jump over here and just grab this test document, open it up, and then I go up to File, Print, and GCPapercut is already loaded in here with my printers. So GCPapercut is what I'm going to print to. I'll select Print, and now I'm at a second login screen, and this is where I do put in my Papercut credentials. Now, notice that this says Aaron Davies, which is the name of my laptop. So I do need to change that to be my Papercut login username. And then, of course, put in my Papercut password. And then remember this in my keychain, leave that box unchecked. Don't check that, it just causes problems later. So go ahead, click OK. We'll see the little printer down here on the right-hand side. Tells me it's thinking about something, and then it disappears, which means everything was successful, and now I can go to the Papercut printer and type in my login credentials and release the print job. And that's all there is to it. So hopefully you found this video helpful.